Hi. Thank you for watching our video on top 5 inventive uses of forklift trucks. Before we dive in, the entire team at Angus Lift Trucks would like to thank you for watching this video. We are a well-established forklift truck company in the Midlands, with over 30 years of experience in providing services from forklift hire, sales, maintenance, and repairs, to training on all types of forklifts. We are also accredited and provide CPC and first aid training. Our experts are always on hand for free, no obligation quotes at our shops in Hinckley, Leicestershire, and Ilkeston, Derbyshire. Of course, do share and like this video, it really motivates us to do more similar videos. Without further ado, let's dive in. 1. Forklift trucks uses for the roofing industry. A personnel cage is an attachment that can make a forklift truck more versatile. It allows the operator to lift another worker to a certain height while providing a safe environment for this person to work several feet off the ground. Using a forklift truck can be safer than climbing a ladder since it creates a stable platform. For instance, forklift trucks can be a convenient way of lifting a worker to clean a gutter. They are also an excellent option in situations where there is significant roof damage, and it's not safe for workers to step onto the roof. A forklift truck with a personnel cage can also be a convenient option for washing windows or power washing the exterior of a tall building. 2. Forklift trucks in the entertainment industry. You'll often see forklift trucks used on movie and TV show sets to move heavy decor elements. Movie directors also imagine creative uses for forklift trucks when creating special effects. For instance, the horror movie Bird Box features a scene where a character hits another car with their vehicle. The crash results in the car flipping over and rotating on itself in the air for a spectacular result. You can watch this scene on our blog post, which includes the actual videos discussed here today. The shot where the vehicle is upside down used a forklift to support the car in midair. The forklift had a blue wrapping so the special effect team could edit it out of the movie. Other movies, such as Interstellar, have used forklift trucks. During filming, the crew mounted projectors on forklifts to show large images of wormholes and breathtaking views of space. While these images didn't make it into the movie, they helped the actors imagine that they were genuinely in space during filming. 3. Sports and competition. Logistics experts come together to compete and show off their forklift driving skills in different forklift competitions around the globe. These events turn driving a forklift into an exciting sport. The Linda MH Stapler Cup is a popular event in Germany where some of the best operators compete in a series of tasks that test their speed and precision. Similar events occur in the US, such as the Washington State Forklift Rodeo or the Columbia Forklift Challenge. Operators may perform impressive tricks during their downtime and sometimes post the results on YouTube. You can see operators performing some unique forklift tricks and some unusual basketball trick shots. 4. Forklift trucks in the auto industry. Car lots, repair shops, and impound lots need to move vehicles around regularly. It can be challenging and time-consuming to move cars that don't run properly. Vehicles with an impound boot on are hard to move. It can be difficult to park the cars in a neat row when there isn't much room to do so. A forklift operator can easily lift a vehicle by its front wheels and move it to the desired location with a wrecker attachment. It's a great way to save time when you need to move several vehicles or want to park some cars with precision. This attachment is a must-have tool for moving vehicles that don't run. 5. Using a forklift to stop crime. Something amazing happened in the Czech Republic in December 2017. Some criminals committed a robbery and were getting away in a car when 3 forklift drivers decided to take the matter into their own hands. The 3 operators positioned their forklift trucks to block the passage of the getaway car and successfully foiled the robbery. It's not something you see every day, and the precision of the drivers is admirable since they were able to block the car's passage safely. You can watch this incredible event on our blog post, which includes the video. So, to wrap up, these are only 5 mentions of top 5 inventive uses of forklift trucks. If you are looking to look at the actual videos, do have a look at our detailed article Top 5 Inventive Uses of Forklift Trucks. See the link in the description. Of course, if you are looking for more videos on all things forklifts, from the funniest forklift jokes to theory test questions forklift drivers often get wrong, do subscribe to our channel and like or share our video. Do check out some of the most popular articles on our blog, see links in the description. Finally, if you consider hiring a forklift, buying a new or a used one, jumping on a new maintenance contract, or training on any type of forklift or CPC training, do give our team a call.